Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where I'm about to unveil the ultimate game changer for reversal trading, introducing the supply demand reversals indicator, a cutting edge tool designed to transform your trading by harnessing the power of supply and demand zones. This revolutionary indicator is your key to identifying trend reversals like never before, making it an essential addition to any trader's toolkit. With our indicator, you can say goodbye to the guesswork and hello to precision in spotting high probability trading opportunities based on robust supply and demand zones. The supply demand reversal indicator is definitely worth a closer look, but before we begin, I want to ask you to show your support for the channel by smashing that like button. Also, subscribe and turn on the bell, enabling notifications to stay up to date with our future videos. Firstly, let's start with an example and quickly discuss what supply and demand is and how it affects your trading. On the chart, I'm currently on the euro against the US dollar in the 4-hour time frame. In trading, supply and demand are like the yin and the yang that determine the price of an asset. Supply is all about how much something is up for sale, and demand about how much people want to buy it at a particular price and time. When there's a lot of supply, prices usually drop because sellers are competing, and when demand is high, prices go up as buyers battle for limited supply. These forces interact to find a sweet spot called the equilibrium, and changes in the market, like good or bad news, can shift supply and demand, influencing the price levels. Traders use these concepts to spot support and resistance levels on the chart, and these are the building blocks of price trends in the financial markets. So, understanding supply and demands like having a compass to navigate the trading world. So, what we can observe using these principles from the chart is price action was heading upwards with strong bullish trend, which means a lot of demand for the pair in the market. Then, after the turning point, the market the sellers have taken over, and now price action is showing a bearish trend, forming lower lows and lower highs, all of which can be easily identified simply looking at our next generation indicator. Additionally to this, it also identifies retests of these zones, which are marked with the triangles, which can also be included in your analysis. After the close of the strong bearish engulfing candle, we have confirmation of the continuation of the downtrend. And for this reason, we can enter our sell trade. For the sell trade example, I'm going to use the stop loss and take profit provided by the indicator and let the trade play out. Next, let's explore the other side of the spectrum and look at a bullish retest and reversal. And for this example, I have selected Google, which is listed as Alphabet on the Nasdaq in the hourly time frame. The supply demand reversals indicators takes the hard work out of finding high probability significant reversals, because the supply demand reversal indicator for TradingView does most of the heavy lifting for you. Plus, on top of all of this, you receive timely alerts and additionally suggestions on where to place your stop loss and take profit. This ensures that your trade maintains a optimal risk to reward ratio. So for this example, we notice a retest signal after the price approached a strong demand zone. What this means is the price has become more attractive for a lot of buyers at this level. Because of this, we see a strong rejection away from that zone. Now, one of the best parts of the indicators is that it also shows you a retest, which a lot of traders use as a confirmation before entering the trend. All you need to do is simply enter the values provided by the indicator for your stop loss and take profit, and then let the trade run its course. Professional traders widely agree that modern supply and demand zones act like price magnets. This means price tends to gravitate towards these zones before experiencing a rejection. It logically follows that once the price suddenly breaks these zones, it's a strong indication of a trend reversal in motion. Next, let's explore another trading example. However, this time we are going to build a complete trading strategy. So on the chart, we currently have the British pound against the US dollar in the hourly time frame. And the two additional indicators which I have added to our chart are none other than our Trend Symphony and Volume Breaker Pro panel. The reason is we'll be using these to validate our analysis. However, firstly, under the settings for the Trend Symphony, we are going to make a couple of changes. Under the inputs for the Trend Symphony, we are only going to unselect the following options to clean up our charts. The reason is we'll be using the stop loss and take profit that is provided by the supply demand reversal indicator. Now, from the chart, we can observe a strong rejection away from a supply zone. This bearish rejection has been detected by our supply demand reversals, which has been marked with the sell sign. Additionally, we notice the price action is currently located below all three of the Trend Symphony ribbons, which are marked with red. This gives us an additional confirmation that the downtrend is in action. Lastly, we need to ensure that we have enough volume for the trend to play out. This can be done by looking at our Volume Breaker Pro, which needs to be located below the average line and colored in red. Only once all of these criteria are in place, we can enter our sell trade. And for the sell trade, I'm going to use the stop loss and take profit levels provided by the supply demand reversals indicator, which are located on the right hand side of the screen. Now, one of the best parts of the indicator and strategy is that it can be used against any instrument and time frame. So for our next example, let's focus on a scalping trade on a shorter time frame. And on the chart, I have selected the US dollar against the Japanese yen in the 5-minute time frame. And firstly, we observe that the buyers are taking over with the breakout of demand zones and then the retest that is marked with the purple triangle. Additionally, we see the Trend Symphony ribbons are all three colored blue, which is an additional confirmation of the bullish trend. Lastly, we need to have enough volume for the trade to play out. This can be done by looking at the Volume Breaker Pro, which is colored green and also located above the average line. Once all of these criteria are in place, we can enter our buy trade. And for the buy trade, I'm going to use the stop loss and take profit provided by the indicator. The reason is these levels are automatically calculated using the ATR or average true range indicator, which makes them dynamic for changes in market conditions. Next, let's explore another scalping example. And on the chart, we have the Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar in the 5-minute time frame. And firstly, we observe that we are currently in a uptrend, with price action forming higher highs and higher lows. Additionally, we see the supply demand reversal showing a strong demand with a retest. Additionally, from price action, which is currently located above the Trend Symphony ribbon and is colored blue. Lastly, we observe the Volume Breaker Pro is above the average line and colored green. Now, once the candle has closed, we can enter our buy trade. And for the buy position, I'm going to use the stop loss and take profit given by the indicator. Of course, you are free to use these stop loss and take profit levels as suggestions, or you can even tweak them to fit your own unique trading approach. In conclusion, the supply demand reversal indicator represents a significant leap forward in the world of trading. It provides traders with a unique and powerful approach to spot trend reversals based on tested supply and demand zones. By incorporating this innovative tool into your trading strategy, you can gain a distinct advantage. one that can lead to more accurate trade entries, improved risk management, and ultimately greater success in the markets. Ready to start? Make sure to visit our website today. I would recommend taking a closer look at our exclusive TV Champ membership because with our exclusive TV Champ membership, you can grab all our custom indicators for TradingView plus all TradingView indicators that we'll release in the future. If you'd like to learn more about these next generation indicators featured in the TV Champ membership, take a closer look at our YouTube channel. So I hope that you found this video to be helpful. Until next time, happy trading. Bye.